All right, today we're going to bring a hammock reinforcement frame. This one could carry up to 400 pounds. This is the actual bag. The bag itself has the instructions how to set this up. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and put it together, including the ends, which are, you don't need any tools. They're all butterfly ribbon, all right? And they give you the actual legs. I like the footing because a lot of them don't come with this. This is a great option. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how it works. Now, these are actually to lock the whole bars together, right? So these, you're going to use them to actually lock every corner, reinforce the actual steel. Let me explain to you on the hook. The hook is facing down. The reason is because this thing's going to go over and it hooks up in here. You could change the actual length of it to straighten it out or loosen it up. Now, I did have to lock these out in the bottom. You see that? Lock them out. You can lock them. Shorten them out, make sure this thing doesn't come off. It has 4 of them. You see that stretches out. Put some length here. And that. So we're probably gonna have to bring the rivets a little higher, so you guys can see it some more. So that's what we're gonna do. Because all right, we just straighten it out. You guys can see, make sure that these go inside too, in the corners. So I'm about 200 and something pounds. That's how we're gonna leave it as. And we're gonna try this out and to see how low we're gonna go and how well it works. So it's not bad. You can relax here, enjoy yourself. 1 or 2 persons. This is a perfect hammock for that. It's strong because I didn't feel anything move or anything like that. So 400 plus pounds you could add in here. I'm 200. You could fit 200 and something. So you could fit 1.5 of me somewhere here. So pretty much well set up. Very simple to put together.